In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number in Hostinger. If you want to keep your account details up to date and make sure your contact information is accurate, adding your phone number is a simple but important step. This can help with account management and may also be useful for verification or communication purposes, depending on your account settings. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your personal settings are accessible. If your dashboard looks slightly different from what you expected, don't worry. Platform layouts can change over time, but the general process is usually very similar. Next, click on your profile. This is typically where your personal account settings and details are stored. After opening your profile area, look for the section called Account Information under Personal Information. This is where you can review and update the details connected to your account. Once you're in Account Information, find the phone number field and click on it. This will allow you to enter your phone number. As you type it in, make sure the number is correct before moving forward. It's a good idea to double-check every digit, especially if you're entering a country code or updating a number you plan to use for future account-related actions. Even a small mistake can cause issues later, so taking a few extra seconds here is worth it. After entering the correct phone number, click Continue. From there, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. These prompts may guide you through confirmation or verification steps, so read each message carefully and complete the process as instructed. If a code is sent to your phone, make sure you enter it exactly as received and do it promptly if there is a time limit. And that's it. Once you've followed the on-screen instructions, your phone number should be successfully added to your Hostinger account. Keeping this information updated is a smart habit because it helps ensure your account remains accurate and easier to manage. If you're following along on your own device, move slowly and carefully through each screen so you don't miss anything. With just a few clicks, you can complete the update and have your phone number added in no time.